Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to smile with your lips closed. And these will be the easiest instructions on this subject matter. So let's get right into this video instructional tutorial. So you want to smile with your lips closed, okay? It's not hard to do. First of all, I would love for you to smile with your lips open, okay? Give yourself a nice, genuine smile. Just smile. For whatever reason, just smile. It just feels better to smile. But if for whatever reason you really want to smile with your lips closed, I'm going to show you how to do it. It's not a problem. But I would say show off your genuine smile with your lips wide open, okay? But if you really feel like you have to smile or you want to smile with your lips closed, I'll show you how to do it. No worries. So essentially, you have to actually start by smiling with your lips open, and then you have to make a maneuver, and then that'll give you a genuine smile with your lips closed, the most genuine smile you can have with your lips closed, and it won't look sort of that off from a sort of lips open smile. So most people, let me show you what people do. I don't want to say wrong, but what people do that makes it not look as genuine as an open lip smile. Most people will smile with their lips closed, and it looks like this. And the reason why it looks different or not as genuine, let's say as an open lip smile, is because you're bringing your top and bottom lips towards the center. You bring your top and bottom lips towards the center like this. And it looks a little bit less genuine than an open lip smile, right? It looks like you're almost like you're like a little bit smiling, like you're happy but you're worried, right? Okay, so how do you do that? I don't want to say fix it, because there's nothing wrong with it, but how do you do it where it looks more genuine? Well, it's really easy. Smile with your lips open, like that, regular smile, and then just bring your bottom lip up, like that. Your top lip does not move, your top lip stays high. Your bottom lip comes up. And that's a closed lip, genuine looking smile. Right? The reason it looks more genuine is just because of the shape of it. Not even the shape of it, but what I'm doing is the top lip is forming the shape, and then the bottom lip is just closing it up. And that is your closed lip smile that looks as genuine, I would say close to as genuine as an open lip smile. If you bring both lips into the middle, you're going to look worried. But by keeping your top lip up, and then just bringing your bottom lip to close the lips, it looks more genuine. Top lip up, and then bottom lip to close it. That's all. Literally that simple. So your top lip stays high, your bottom lip comes up to join it. Think about it like that. And then you don't need to do it like that, right? You could just do it, get that position without smiling open-lipped first. So you could just closed-lipped smile into that direct position. Just like that. It's easy. It's not hard, okay? And that's it. That's how to smile with your lips closed. The easiest instructions, and I showed you how to sort of make it look more genuine than if you sort of do it the way that I showed you first. It didn't look, I don't want to say it didn't look as good, because it looked great, but it's just not as genuine of a happiness smile. Anyways, I showed you and told you how to do it. Hopefully you enjoyed this video tutorial, and I got nothing else to say, so we're going to roll the outro. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.